Can you get a what?
Can I get a smile? Yeah. Can I get a smile? Huh? Let me see that smile. Oh. Oh.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Can I see that smile? Jacob Brand.
Dun, dun, dun.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Let me see that. Oh.
Okay. We're done. Thank you very much. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You see your hand? Or are you punching people out? What are you doing? Look at 12 pounds. I'm holding him. Even though he's on the changing table, I am holding him. He says goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. And we'll have another one shortly. And yes, I'm one of the cutest babies in the world. Yes, I am. Say bye-bye. Yes, bye-bye.